This is the Praana Solar Power Bank 3-in-1 kit. If you're doing a through hike, this could actually be a great addition to your kit. The heart of the system is the 5,000 milliamp battery pack. It's a rugged pack. It's IP68 rated. It's water, dust, and shock resistant. It's under 200 grams. To turn it on, you just hold the button in for 2 seconds. There's a little battery indicator when you power up. Now on the one side, we have these LED lamps. The highest power is 800 lumens, which is very bright, basically double what some standard through hiking headlamps are. It's great to not only light up the inside of your tent, but also provide light for the whole camp area if you want to set up or break down after dark. You don't just have to rely on your headlamp. It's got a handle on it which you can use as a flashlight and a carabiner to clip it to the top of your tent and hang it down. You can even use the light and charge your phone at the same time. The charger is USB-C, which works with most phones. Just plug your phone in and it will charge up. The other component is the 7-watt solar panel. It's rugged and folds over and clips together so it won't open in your pack. Comes with carabiners. You can just clip them onto your backpack and hang it off as you hike during the day. It charges the battery with clean solar energy, and you can even plug your phone in and charge your phone at the same time. One of the cool things is that Praana's EcoCharge technology will convert the varying sunlight into a consistent power source for your mobile charging. And again, you can just bypass the battery altogether and have the solar panel go through the battery right into your phone. Generally, with 3 or 4 hours of sunlight, you can charge the entire battery pack. And you can also charge this from a wall charger. So if you're in a hotel or taking a zero, you can charge this guy up too. And right now, Praana's working with charities to get these solar-powered lights into a bunch of houses. They're trying to get these into 800 villages in India, and then they're going to move on to Africa. So buying this not only solves some issues on your end, but can also help others out, which to me is a win-win.